Back in the day, a long time ago, this is where everything began. It's a lot of work, a tremendous amount of work you're going to have to do. Bear with me to get the metal heated up enough. This is 1-inch bar stock. So it's going to have to take a little bit.
Is this recycled bar stock, or?
My apologies.
Is this recycled bar stock, or is it brand new bar stock?
Yes, this is just recycled. Usually, I mean, you can say I put a nice twist on this, it'll probably turn into something really cool, but a lot of times I keep these heavy bars around for this particular demonstration. I demo all day long, every day. I've got my great apprentice and everything else here who helps me. Take a single hammer. Timing is everything. We don't normally do this because it is actually dangerous. Not to you, to us. Because if your timing is off, your coordination is off, when I call, I will call hook. Hook means I rotate, I slam the anvil, rotate, repeat, we continue. There is no stopping. It's bam, 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 hop, bam, 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 hop. That is the way it is to run. When I call a hop, it is considered a hammer blow. All right, quick, where's your preferred spot? All right, we're going to start out slow and easy, and we'll move up in timing from there. Okay, now the blacksmith, traditionally, my job, I take a light hammer. My job is to make the coals, keep the timing, and rotate the material. A little bit there. Now you remember, you're striking dead center of anvil. Where I put that metal, that's where you are hitting. I correct the metal, they are actually doing the work. What my job is to correct the metal. Counterclockwise. We're going to start slow and easy, slow and light. Slow and easy. Hook! Hook! Hold! Okay, now that was simple. It didn't look like much of nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to up the ante. Especially since I have a great friend here who's never done this with me before. We're going to make this really exciting.
Oh God. I just had a show that was really exciting.
We're going to make
my blood pressure
really
medicine now.
Alright.
When he says stuff like that, I get worried.
Alright, give me a second here, folks. We're going to cut that little tiny little wimpy piece off, and we're going to move into the big stuff. So what we're going to do is take our cutter here. Going to hit this off. So we got a nice little bit of heat there. Now, at the bottom of the pot there, between our coal cooks down at about 1100 degrees. Right now we're cooking coke. Coke cooks at about 2300 to 3000 degrees. So right down in there is a very nice toasty, 2500 degrees, something like that. Free taste test for everybody. It'll taste like burnt flesh and chicken in no time.
I know how he will step on it and he won't notice. I put him out multiple times.
Alright, so now we're cooking up hot and heavy. Now we'll really be able to swing. Alright, the timing's good. Let's keep it up. Do a good round.
This is the type of forge I would like to have.
Yeah, that's really awesome.
Hand crank forge. I have a hand crank like that, but it's a grinder.
Yeah, I think we need to cook it more.
Yeah. Oh, I tell
That
you,
would
another
be
week or so,
absolutely
come morning,
perfect.
everybody will be right here. All right, let that soak for a minute. I seen woodcuts and pictures of 5 blacksmiths around an anchor for a ship. Pounding. Bam, 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 bam. No safety glasses, no nothing. And they just flip it, do it, roll it back in. So we do this little demonstration just to give you an idea of how difficult things were back then. And thankfully I've got some good friends here that are willing to help me out.
Luckily, he has better rhythm than Todd.
Yes, the Todd does not have nearly as good a rhythm as you do, trust me. He's a wonderful fella, I do love him, but...
He usually ends up trying to...
Alright, are we ready? Ready. Okay. Cut! 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 Oh! Give him a big hand for my friends here. That's something you will very rarely see. And we could draw this out to a wire if you'd like, but somebody better pay me a lot of money to do that.
And your name?
I'm
Your name?
Everybody calls me Sager.
Thank you. And your name?
David.
David? Thank you guys. Thank you very much.